Hi, this is Brianna with 21st Century Video Journal 4, focused on the International Society for Technology and Education Standard for Systematic Improvement. The standard states educational administrators provide digital age leadership and management to continuously improve the organization through effective use of information and technology resources. The standard is broken down into 5 substandards that I'm going to speak about individually. Substandard 1 states lead purposeful change to maximize the achievement of learning goals through the appropriate use of technology and media-rich resources. I plan to address this substandard by developing a continual evaluation plan that is in accordance with the district and school's mission and technology initiatives, verifying that different times throughout the year we are using technology, what technology we're using, and is it working for our students, and then using that data to make necessary changes. Substandard 2 states collaborate to establish metrics, collect and analyze data, interpret results, and share findings to improve staff performance and student learning. I plan to address this substandard by creating a committee on my school that is focused on technology. The use of this committee will help us to select an evaluation tool to monitor our use of technology, collect data on the technology use, such as what items of technology are we using, when are we using it, how often are we using it, for what purposes, what programs are we running, and is it meeting the needs of our students. We would take that data, interpret the results, and share those findings with stakeholders, and also analyze them to make decisions to improve the use of technology on our campus. Substandard 3 states recruit and retain highly competent personnel who use technology creatively and proficiently to advance academic and operational goals. I plan to address this substandard by creating professional development to grow staff proficiency in technology, as well as recognize and celebrate staff growth in the area of technology, either through digital badges like we did in this program, or finding another source to recognize and celebrate those staff members who are, one, using technology and finding creative ways to advance their students through the use of technology. Substandard 4 states establish and leverage strategic partnerships to support systematic improvement. One way I plan to address this would be to connect with outside sources to develop and maintain our technology use, whether that be connecting with our TOSAs at the district office to develop professional developments and bring them into aid teachers, or outside partnerships bringing in things outside like after school resources for our students. Substandard 5 states establish and maintain a robust infrastructure for technology, including integrated, interoperable technology systems to support management, operations, teaching, and learning. I plan to address this one by the continual evaluation of technology use, using an evaluation tool and continuously evaluating multiple times throughout the year on technology at the school site, analyzing that data and making the necessary changes to improve the infrastructure and program of technology on our school site. By implementing the different activities through the 5 different substandards, I feel that I would be able to improve the organization's effective use of technology.